You can literally use live translation on your iPhone just by using the camera. Yes, guys, your camera can do wonders on your iPhone. One of them is translating any text live. For that, do one thing. On every iPhone by default, there is an application called Translate. It is there. Just go ahead and search for it. Once you got it, just open the application. Once you open the application, in the application, here if you see, below there are multiple options given to you. First one, translation. Second one, camera, right? Just do one thing, go ahead and tap on camera. So now here if you see, here is your camera screen, and below there is an option given to you, that is your language. So here the first one is a language, which language you want to track, and the second one, to which language you want to translate. So choose these languages. For example, currently if the text is in English or Hindi or any language, just choose the language, and second one is which language you want to read it. Do that and just point your camera towards that text, and guys, automatically your iPhone camera will detect the text and it will live translate for you, and here instantly you will see the live translation. So automatically that text will be displayed in your desired language or desired. So automatically like that you can easily use your iPhone camera to translate anything on your iPhone just by pointing the camera towards the text. So guys, it is how we can easily use live translation on your iPhone by using the iPhone camera. So guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. And guys, also tell me what are the features you know about iPhone which can really be helpful for other people. Please comment below. Until then, I hope you like this video, and if yes, please give a like and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.